Salom qadrli do'stlar. Men qaysidir videoda aytdim, menimcha 10 ta obunachi yig'sam akkauntimni obzor qilaman dedi va men obzor qilaman. Men akkauntimda Saliba bor, Rudiger bor, Balde bor, Rodri, Reis, Yamal, Bellingham, Rafinha, Harry Kane bor. Keyin men yerda Rodrigo bor, Saka, olib qo'yibman. Keyin Messi bor edi. Men yerda De Jong, Tonali, Odegaard, keyin Griezmann bor. Keyin qolgani ko'k futbolistlar. Meni ko'rib turgan edi. Ko'k futbolistlar men yerda ham bor. Endi men ularni sotib yuborsammi, nima qilsam? Mayli, hozir men sizlarga buni sotib ko'rsataman dagin. Men yerdan Vinini olaman, men yerdan Valverdeni olaman. Ular blokda turibdi. Hozir sotib yuborik. Zapasdan texnikaga polni kuchaytirsam ekan, futbolistlarni sariqlarni. Keyin zaminada bu tursin kerak bo'ladi. Bu ham ketdi. Zapa bo'ldi, ketdi. Endi kuchaytirsam ekan. Mana sizlarga men ularni yig'ib qo'yganman texnikadan. Ashqib mana hammasi mana futbolistga kuchayib ketmasa bo'ldi. Qani, let's go! Voy bila. Uy. Rafinha, Reis normalni. Yana Reis. Odegaard. Rudiger. Yana Rudiger. Saliba. Rafinha. Bellingham. Endi fizически turaversin. Mana asobidan nasib bo'lsa men yerdan qora o'yinchi tushadi. O'shani ishlataman. Hozir bunday qilib yuborikda. Kambeyda bekor go'man bu yerda turadi. Saliba. Voy Rudiger. To'g'risizlar jalqa masku deyishlaring mumkin, lekin Viniga pul yig'yapman, shunga osonroq bo'ladi. Yana reklama ko'ramiz. Keyin hozir videoni yana boshladim. Qani, let's go. Odam topolmam, topdi, davay. Uy. Bappe voy. Bu boynagi Real Madrid bo'ldi, yutqizdik bunga. Bappelari ham bor ekan, Pituh. Voy. Uy bila, mendan kuchli bo'lib ketibdi-ku, bu kuchayib ketibdi. Bila. Jalqa qism kuchaytirish kerak edi.
We've seen a lot of cards dished out today, and here's the first.
Bo'ldi, davay. Chidaganga chiqargan endi.
Tactical change
Zamina
here.
qildi. Usman Dembele.
He's played it short.
Maktab bolasi ham yo'q-da menda.
Mbappe.
Mbappe. Yo'q. Blo
Didn't even see the ball.
pushkani.
Fantastic goal.
Mayli.
Dribble here by Odegaard. That was a bad pass.
Lad. Borolmayapman tagigacha.
Helps it on. Saliba.
Bo'ynagidan kuchayib ketibdi. Bu bilan bitta videoda o'ynadik-ku. Avozsiz videoda. O'shanda bu ancha kuchaygan.
That's a crack.
Uy,
It was a
Courtois.
long range shot, but the keeper read it. He's flicked it forward.
Yo'q.
Bellingham with the ball.
Ololmadim.
Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. He's won the ball back.
Nima bo'lsa ham yutishimiz kerak. Oxirgi najot.
Good defending.
Buni o'zi men 3 marta yutganman bu jamoani.
Defender in possession.
Rodri, Pedri.
He's got the ball and is in full sprint. The goal
Saka,
is beginning.
uy xorrosh.
Saka finds the net.
Молодцы,
Nothing in
Saka.
it now, and this game could go either way. Oh, and a
Bukayo
accomplished finish.
Saka.
He showed everyone how it's done.
Mbappe,
Passed around.
Muhammad Salah. Saliba.
A clean, swift
Usman
tackle.
Dembele.
Broken
Yo,
through. He's in the clear.
Dembele.
Going for goal.
Yo, xorrosh
Terrific
Courtois.
stop by
Xorrosh
Courtois.
Courtois.
Oh, confident defending.
Tep vardım. Poh,
Oh,
ricasiga.
well intercepted.
Carvajal ham bor ekan. Bala, do'ppini berib qo'yapti. Voy Courtois, nima qilganing bu?
We're at the halfway point.
Birinchi
It's
time
1-1,
tugadi.
and with still so much to play for.
Futbolchilarimga qarash kerak. O'yinchilarimga qarash kerak. U normalni joni bor. Davay.
The manager's decided to make one small change to his squad.
Ketdi.
Dribble here by Odegaard. This is Kane. Great run. Long shot.
Uy xorrosh. Saliba. Varataga qayt
Here's
Courtois.
Dembele. He's shaping to shoot.
Uy xorrosh.
Mid-tame effort. The shot only finds the side of the net. Headed on.
Davay, Harry Kane, boss.
He's
Boss
racing ahead
Harry
with the
Kane.
ball.
Boss.
A great move. He's
Boss.
clean through. Surely a goal.
Uy xorrosh.
It's Kane.
Xorrosh
That was a brilliant
Kane.
individual goal. He
Молодец.
took the ball through the entire team. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
Bossak bo'lmasam ketdi.
He steps up to steal the
Uy
ball.
Harry Kane. Mbappe yetib oldi patga. Yaxshi. O'yin boshlanib ketdi. Billa kimdir nogiron bo'ldi menimcha.
That pass
И
could have
Mbappe.
been better. They played the breakthrough. Here's a fantastic chance to score. It hit the post so close.
Usman Dembele.
His chance.
Uy
That was a good finish. But is this
xorrosh.
player still going to play a big part in this match?
Oxirgi imkoniyat. Yes, Kylian Mbappe qizil. Молодец.
Card.
Rahmat Dalasi menga yordam berdi.
But that was a horrific challenge. Well timed then. Great defending.
Voy,
He's taken back possession.
ketdi.
This is Kane.
Ketdik
Great
Odegaard.
run. And this really takes
Vay,
the pressure off the
beramadim.
defense. That's well out by the defense.
Rafinha.
Rafinha with this run. Surely now.
Hugo.
Let's see
Hugo
how this
Rodri
sub
oladi.
changes things.
Har doim mana shunday taktika bilan gol uraydim o'sha
Looks
yomon.
like this team are going for the win today.
Yes.
Shot there, it's gone wide. Time for a fresh pair of
Yo.
legs here then.
Menga bun. Yaxshi!
Fantastic.
Harry
That might be
Kane.
the one that
Shoot.
wins them this match.
Öyle.
Close lead here. Can they hang on until full time? Headed forward. Volleyed forward. That one has gone out of play.
Aa,
Manager's bringing him off. What a game he's had today. The end of the game is approaching. Can they rescue the
Aye.
result with a late goal? Now it's Rafinha.
qaytib gol qila olmasa.
Dembele driving forward.
Ketdi. Tep bor.
Fantastic game here. The standard of play was excellent. Let's hope the next time these teams meet, it'll be equally
Zo'rlab
exciting.
tashladi yana bir marta. Hayır.